Hey, I've been thinking, and I think the reason I struggle so much at the moment is because I've never learned what to do when I'm alone. I mean, I've always had people surrounding me, but when they were gone, I would just go back, lay in my bed, waiting for the day to end. And now that everybody who I've met in the first weeks is gone, I just don't know what to do with myself. And that's why these past weeks have been so hard for me. At some point, I would even just wish to be back home. And I feel so bad for having these thoughts. I mean, shouldn't I be filled with joy and gratitude for being here? I don't know. I just wanted to share that with you.